Hey guys, so for the first question, you have to figure out by what percent did the difference between the body temperature and the room temperature drop during the hour. So the problem gives us a lot of information. We know that at midnight, the body temperature was 80 degrees Fahrenheit, and the room temperature at that same time was 60 degrees Fahrenheit. So we have to account for that. Okay, so at midnight, the body was 80.5 degrees Fahrenheit, but the room temperature was 60. So if we subtract 60 degrees Fahrenheit, you'll get 20.5 degrees at midnight. Then it says 1 hour later. So that means at 1 a.m., the body temperature was 78.5. So the body temperature had decreased. So the body temperature is 78.5 degrees, but the room temperature is still 60 degrees. So that difference in temperature at 1 a.m. was 18.5 degrees Fahrenheit at 1 a.m., which is 1 hour later. So now we're going to try and find the percent of change between these two amounts. Okay, so we have the change. So at midnight, it was 20.5 degrees Fahrenheit. Then by 1 a.m., 18.5 degrees Fahrenheit. And then if we want to find that percent, we want to divide that by the original temperature. Okay, so this is going to be the change over the original temperature. So when you subtract, you get 2 degrees Fahrenheit over the original temperature. And that will give you approximately 0.976. And as a percent, that would be 9.8%. All right, guys, so we have to figure out, what does this answer mean? So we were asked to find the percent of change between the body temperature and the room temperature. So here's what this means. We can say that even though we got 9.8%, we can say that it's dropping approximately 10%. Okay, so we'll just call this 10% if we're rounding, just to interpret our answer. Okay, so roughly, the body temperature is dropping by 10% of the difference between the body temperature and room temperature. And the room temperature was 60 degrees Fahrenheit. And this is happening each hour.